Hi dear children, welcome back to mathematics session. Today we are learning about two-digit numbers 10 to 19 from chapter 4. Let's count. Also we will learn how to represent tens and ones. Look here, you can see two children, Appu and Ammu. Okay, one evening they decided to ask something to their parents. Papa, we love to have two hens. Could you please buy it for us? Appu asked. Yes, sure Appu. And parents brought two hens for them. Look here. Ammu, look, they have brought hens for us. You can see two beautiful hens, right? The children named the hens Chotu and Motu. Chotu and Motu. One day, Chotu started laying eggs. You can see the hen, right? The Chotu. One evening, coming from the school, Appu told Ammu, let's count the eggs Chotu has laid. They were very eager to see Chotu and her eggs. You can see the eggs and the Chotu. So, let's count the eggs with the children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, how many eggs Chotu laid? 10 eggs. Okay. One day, the children noticed chicks playing and making noise. So, they were eager to see the chicks also. Appu, see, our Chotu's eggs have hatched, told Ammu. Yes, Ammu, come let's check how many chicks have hatched. See, beautiful chicks, right? Let's count. So, we will also start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, then 9 and the last one 10. Okay, so how many chicks you saw? 10 chicks, right? 10 chicks. So, 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. So, let's discuss some of the examples by counting. We all have two legs, right? How many fingers are there altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many fingers? 10 fingers on our legs. What is this? Yeah, it's a crab. Okay, you can see some legs for this, right? How many legs are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 legs for the crab. We all have two hands, right? How many hands? Two hands. So, how many fingers are there altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. So, now we will move on to the next session, that is bundle of 10. Here we will learn how we will represent the tens and ones. How many sticks are there? Can you please count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks, right? So, now ma'am is going to make it a group. or a bundle of tens. Okay. Yeah, you can see the bundle here, right? Yeah, it includes 10 sticks. So, how many tens? 1 ten. Okay, how many tens? 1 tens. So, you can see how we will represent it in tens and ones. Since there is only 1 tens, we will write 1 under this tens box. Okay, and 0 in ones place. Okay, 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Okay, so altogether 10 sticks. Okay, so in the next example, you can see a bundle of 10 sticks, right? A one bundle of 10 sticks, and how many sticks extra? 1 stick, right? 10 plus 1, right? 10 plus 1 stick. So altogether 11 sticks. So how we will represent it in tens and ones? Look here. Yeah, we will write the single stick in ones place. Okay. The single stick in ones place, and how many sticks are in this bundle? 10 sticks, right? So, how many tens? 1 tens. So, we will write 1 in tens place. In tens place, we will write 1, and in ones place, we will write 1. So, 11 sticks. How many sticks? 11 sticks. Here you can see another example, right? A bundle of tens and another 2 sticks. So, 10 plus 2 equal to 12 sticks. And how we will represent it in tens and ones? In ones position, we will place 2. The 2 sticks, 1, 2. 2 in ones place. And 1 bundle of 10 sticks, right? So, how many tens? 1 tens. So, we will write 1 in tens place. So, we will have 12 sticks. How many sticks? 12 sticks. You can see a bundle of 10 sticks here and another 3 sticks. So, 10 plus 3, 13 sticks, right? 10 plus 3, 13 sticks. 1 tens and 3 ones. 1 tens and 3 ones. So, how we will write? In ones place, we will write 3 ones. How many sticks? 1, 2, 3, right? So, 3 in ones place. And in tens place, we will write 1. Okay. Here you can see 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks. 10 plus 4, 14 sticks. So, how we will represent? In ones place, we will write 4, and in tens place, we will write 1. So, altogether 14 sticks. You can see 10 sticks here, that is 1 tens. And how many sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10 plus 5 equal to 15 sticks. And how we will represent it in tens and ones? In ones position, we will count this 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will write it in ones place, 5. And 1 bundle of 10 sticks. So, in tens position, we will write 1. So, altogether 15 sticks. Similarly, 1 bundle of tens, right? So, in tens position, 1. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we will write 6 on ones place. So, altogether 16 sticks. 16 sticks. Here you can see 7 sticks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many ones? 7 ones. So we will write 7 here. Then a bundle of 10 sticks. So there is only one bundle, right? So ma'am will write 1 in tens position. Okay. So altogether 17 sticks. 10 sticks plus 7 sticks. So 17 sticks. The same way you can see a bundle of 10 sticks and 8 sticks here, right? How many sticks? 8 sticks. Can you please count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8 sticks. So, ma'am will represent it like this. Okay. In tens position, ma'am will write 1 and in ones position, ma'am will write 8 because 8 sticks are there. Okay. So, altogether 18 sticks. You can see 9 sticks here. So, 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, 9 sticks. So, we will write 9 in ones position. And we have a bundle of 10 sticks. So, 1 tens. Ma'am will write 1 in tens place. That is, in ones place ma'am will write 9 and in tens place ma'am will write 1. So, altogether ma'am will have 19 sticks. 10 sticks plus 9 sticks. 19 sticks. So, you understood how to represent 2-digit numbers in tens and ones. So, we will summarize here. Okay, you can see the table here, right? Okay, you can see the numbers. 10. What is the number name? How we will spell the 10? T-E-N. 10. How we will represent tens and ones? 1 and 0 in ones place. Okay. And the next number is 11. What is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. How we will represent 11 in tens and ones? In ones place we will write 1 and in tens place we will write 1. So 11. Okay. So next number is 12. After 11, 12 comes. So what's the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. And how we will represent it? In ones place we will write 2 and in tens place we will write 1. Next is 13. What's the spelling? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. And how we will represent 13 in tens and ones? In ones place we will write 3 and in tens place we will write 1. Okay. Then next number is 14. How we will spell it? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. And how we will represent it in tens and ones? In tens place we will write 1 and in ones place we will write 4. The next number after 14 is 15. And how we will spell it? F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. In tens place we will write 1 and in ones place we will write 5. Next number after 15 is 16. So the spelling S-I-X-T-E-E-N. X T E E N, 16. And in tens place we will write 1, and in ones place we will write 6. So 16. After 16 what comes? 17, right? Yeah, 1 7. So the number name is S E V E N T E E N. That is the spelling of 17. So in tens position 1 will come, and in ones position 7 will come. So 17. After 17, 18 will come, right? How we will spell 18? E I G H T E E N, 18. And in ones position we will write 8, and in tens position we will write 1. So 18. And the last, after 18, 19 comes. After 18, 19. So what is the spelling of 19? N I N E T E E N, 19. So in tens position how we will represent it? 1. We will write 1 in tens position, and in ones position we will write 9. So 19. Okay, so you understood how to represent 2-digit numbers in tens and ones. So thank you.